Da Vinci Camp, a STEAM enrichment program for grades 4 through 6, supports up to 30 learners. In the first box, you'll find an intro letter with a detailed unpacking list. You'll also find your digital resource license key with instructions on how to access the digital curriculum and more resources. Your Da Vinci Camp program includes a comprehensive instructor guide and printed student pages. The instructor guide makes it easy for educators of any experience level to prepare for each lesson. Each day includes a detailed material list and daily prep section. Additionally, you'll receive everything your learners will need to complete the activities: BrickLab bricks, paper towels, pencils, index cards, cups, food coloring, markers, scissors, feathers, yarn, mirrors, and a cape to designate each day's volunteer Leonardo Da Vinci. This program is designed for turnkey implementation. Refill kits are also available that make it easy to restock supplies for your next group of apprentices. Another benefit of Da Vinci Camp is that there are no tech requirements. Get started straight out of the box with or without an internet connection. For more information about this easy-to-implement program, visit adventures.com or give us a call to connect with a STEM program expert.